This is Mahmoud Hassan Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we're going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view. This is our top view, and this is our front side view. Okay. First of all, I will start drawing by drawing this rectangular shape, and this rectangular shape has a dimension of 60 by 30 unit because 9 plus 12 and 9 is 30 unit, or you can see as the radius is 15 unit, so 15 plus 15 it is 30 unit. So for drawing this portion, I will draw a center line from here to here, and this center line will has a dimension of 60 unit. Then I'll draw two offset line, and this two offset line has a dimension of 15 unit each. Then I will cap in the portion. Okay, then I'll trim this extra portion. After that, I will extrude boss. I will extrude boss it to 30 unit. After 30 unit. After that, I can see we have a rectangular cut here, and for this rectangular cut I'll draw a corner rectangle in the front plane. Okay. And this corner rectangle has a distance of 9 unit from here, and from this center line to here it has a distance of 18 unit. Then I'll cut it to through all. Then we can see we have a rib features here, so I'll draw a incline line here and draw a rib of 7 unit. Then we can see we have two chamfer here, one is chamfer here and another chamfer here, and both chamfer has a dimension of 9 units, so here they are the symmetrical chamfer here. And then lastly we can see we have a extrude cut cycle. In this extrude cut cycle has a diameter of 15 unit. So let's go back to our SolidWorks. So first of all, I'm selecting the top plane from here. Now right click on it. Now sketch, then normal to it. Then I'm going to select the center line from here and drawing a center line. And this center line has a distance of 60 units. So dimension it to 60 unit. Okay, after that, select the offset entities as the radius is 15 units. So offset also will be 15 units. Now select this line. Now make sure to select bidirectional. Now cap it. Now you can select arc or line. If you select line, you need to draw another set arc manually, or if select arc, you need to draw another line here. Okay, I'm selecting the arc from here. Now press OK. So our this portion has been done. Now I'm selecting a line tool and drawing a vertical line to close this end. So this line has been drawn. Now select the time entities and trim this line. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 30 unit. So I'm extrude bossing it to 30 unit. Now press OK. So this portion has been done. Now select the front plane from here. Now right click on it. Now sketch, then normal to it. Then select the corner rectangle from here and draw a corner rectangle here. And this corner rectangle has a dimension of, as the total distance 30 unit, we need to minus the 9 unit from here. Okay, and here the total distance is 60 units, so I have to minus 18 unit from here. So this will be our rectangle size. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Okay, now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to through all both. Now extrude cut it to through all both. Now press OK. So this portion has been done. Now it's time for doing the rib features, and for that I am selecting the front plane again. Now right click on it. Now sketch, then normal to it, and select the line tool from here and connect this to incline line in these 2 points and draw an incline line. So our incline line has been done. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now select the rib features, and we're going to rib this portion, and the dimension is our 7 units. So we are going to rib it 7 unit. Now press OK. So our rib features has been done quite well. Now it's time for chamfer this side and this side, and for that I'm selecting from chamfer from here, and we have a chamfer of 9 unit. As the both distance is 9 unit, is you can select the 9 unit in here, or you can select this line symmetrical 9 unit. Okay, then select this corner, and in the same way you select the other side also, this corner. Now press OK. So our chamfer has been done. Okay, now isometric it for a better view. Now I'm selecting this top face. Now right click on it. Now sketch, then normal to it. Now select a circle, and we have a circular cut of 15 diameter. So I'm placing this circle to the previous circle origin. So draw it to 15 diameter circle. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to through all. So I'm student cutting it to through all both. Now press OK. So this portion has been done also. So as you can see, we have done a 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching. And keep learning. Be different.